Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to simply change the resolution on your TV on Nintendo Switch 2. To change the TV resolution, simply go to the settings. Now go down to the display. Then go down to, I think I've lost it, TV resolution. You can set it to automatic or manually set it to any of those values available. I'm gonna set it to 4K. And now it's set. If I set it to something lower, it'll turn the TV off for a moment. And now you can see it's changed. I can see it's much worse right now. And that's basically it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.